Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself. Today's video about activating tire pressure sensors on a Ford Transit. I have 2024 Transit. It will work on this vehicle. I'm not sure about other ones, but supposedly it should work on most of the Fords. This video about activating brand new sensors. Apparently Ford, when you buy them from the dealership, they are completely turned off to save the battery. In my case, I went to the tire shop, not the Ford dealership. They messed with those sensors for like an hour and they could not figure it out. So Ford have two different learning modes. One of them, when you just rotate the tires and sensors already activated. And in Ford Transit, as you know, you have a different tire pressure in the back and in the front. So in my case, I keep 80 in the back and 60 in the front, even though the Ford recommend 53 or 50, something like that. But some of my tire friends recommended to keep a little bit higher, which is working for me, but I'm not recommending anything. In my case, it's working. So there is two different procedures on Ford. If you just do tire rotation, there is a really simple setting, and I'm gonna leave some links in the description for this video, which is kind of like a lot easier. So I actually just did my tire rotation, and as you can see, the front showing 76 and the rear showing 58, which is obviously incorrect. So I gonna do basically same setting. So normally if I would do just a learning mode, it's really easy. You just do press 6 times your emergency lights, hazard lights. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You hear the beep and you see this message, train left front tire. So for the used sensors, again, you just proceed after that. So in my case, I'm gonna show today how to activate the new one. To turn this, just you hear double beep, the session is over. So let's go with the procedure, and I'm gonna leave actually gonna write down step by step. So you could, maybe some people maybe would be easier just to read. And by the way, that's the mileage, 574,000 miles on my van. So let's go step by step. To activate brand new sensors, you gotta have your ignition totally off, and actually this should work on a vehicle with the push starts. That way when you do that, you just don't push the brakes. You know, when you start, you just push the start button. In my case, I have the old style ignition key. So the first step is you push the brakes for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, off. Then 3 times ignition. 1, 2, 3, and leave it on. Push brakes for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Release. Off for 1 second, and then 3 times on, and leave it on. 1, 2, 3. You hear the beep and you see the message, train left front tire. And this is basically, messages are kind of confusing because it's exactly the same if you just into the learning mode. But in this case, this is actually doing the double thing. This is activation mode and the learning mode at the same time. So you see these blinking lights, don't worry about them, and you just proceed with this step by step. And what I'm using is this tool, which again leave the links, and normally you probably would be able to do without the tool, and I'm gonna leave a link for that as well in the description. So and you proceed to the next tire. This time the message should switch the front right. I see people holding this tool somewhere else. In my case, I try everything, and it works for me when I'm holding super close to the stem, just like this. Well, I'm not in a cab right now, but on the dash, you just follow the vehicle around it from the starting. You hear, every time you hear the beep, you move to the next tire. On the last tire, you should hear the double beep. That means that training is complete. Well, actually, I just hear the one beep, but you see this message, training complete. So that's how you activate the brand new sensors on Ford. So at this point, I'm just gonna start the vehicle, training complete, pressing OK, message disappeared, and I'm gonna see what's the tire pressure right now, and it actually showing same thing. This is just funny. This is the quality of the today's tire shops and everything. After I reset my tires 3 times, guess what happened? The tire shop, even though I specifically mentioned the tire pressure front and back is different for Transit, what they did, they rotated the tires, but they didn't change the tire pressure in tires. So guess what? Computer is not messed up. Computer is showing, look at that. So the front tire, okay, let me see if I can do it with one hand. The front tire is actually at 78. So this is, and I was sweating around going through resetting 3 times, but no, thank you Ford. I mean, thank you not Ford, thank you Mavis Tire Shop. That's South Carolina quality for you guys. So in my case, programming wasn't the issue. The tire shop did the rotation, but did not bother to make sure that the tire pressure was correct. I guess I should be happy that they did rotate my tires, and everything else is just my headache. So that's the procedure on the Ford vehicles. Again, at least it's working on my Ford Transit 2020. If you install brand new tire pressure sensor, that's how you activate them, because Ford selling them in a sleeping mode. You have to wake them up, activate them, because they are just not registered with a normal learning mode. So thank you for watching and good luck.